Hello guys, so today it's another vlog, and today's vlog guys, we have two compact full frame camera to compare. Okay, we have the Sony A7C, the new Sony A7C Mark II. Yeah, it's a Mark II. And the Sony ZV-E1. And guys, this is two both full frame compact camera with similar size and everything. But on today's vlog, I'm gonna show you the difference of these two camera. The A7C Mark II, the new A7C Mark II, and also the Sony ZV-E1. So without further ado, let's start. But again, before anything else, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that we will upload regarding photo, video, and tutorial. So let's start now, guys. First, the Sony A7C Mark II. Sony A7C Mark II announced last August 29, 2023 with 33 megapixel full frame BSI CMOS sensor, while the Sony CV-E1 announced last March 29, 2023 with 12 megapixel full frame BSI CMOS sensor. Okay guys, so this is the two camera CV1 and the A7C Mark II. So reason why you will take the Sony A7C Mark II over the ZV-E1. First is the front dial. So you have already front dial here, while the CV1, you don't have front dial. Second is viewfinder. You have electronic viewfinder. And CV1, you don't have any viewfinder. Sensor, which is 33 megapixel over 12 megapixel of ZV-1. Time-lapse recording, it's already built in for the A7C Mark II, while optional for application to the ZV-1. Maximum bitrate, 600 megabytes per second for the A7C Mark II, and 500 megabits per second for the CV-1. Okay, so focus mapping is already in the A7C Mark II over the CV-1. Again, why you want to choose a CV1 over the A7C Mark II? First, you have the product showcase mode. It's similar with the CVE1 as CV1. So it's for vlogging. When you put your camera or any item, and it will focus directly. And yeah, so product showcase is already in the CVE1. Maximum ISO, you have a best ISO on the CVE1 because it's only 12 megapixels, similar with the Sony A7S on. This is more for ISO low light. This is good in low light because it's 12 megapixel camera. Second, battery life. You have 570 shots over 540 of the, but by the way, it's 12 megapixel. So next is the weight, which is more lighter, 483 grams over 413 grams of A7C. Next is the NFC connection. You have already NFC connection on the ZV-1. Okay, USB version is 3.2 Gen 2, while Gen 1 for the A7C. And again, both of these camera have similarity. And first, you have the gyroscopic stabilization for this camera, for both of this camera. Auto framing in the video. We know already that uh, the auto framing or AI is already in the ZV-E1 and 6700. Now, it's also in the A7C Mark II. Both can record unlimited video, dedicated switch for video and photo, wireless communication, wireless Bluetooth connection, both with built-in image stabilization, adjustable LCD, fully articulated, external flash hot shoe, it's already there, touchscreen, can support RAW, face detection, LCD screen, resolution, which is 1.030 dots K, maximum continuous shooting, both 10 frames per 10 frames, yeah, for a continuous shooting burst mode. microphone port, headphone port, environmental weather seal. Um, Again, this is both camera is good for vlogging. And smartphone remote, video bit rates, this is 600 and this is 500. Digital image stabilization, webcam support, anti-flickering, eye tracking, vehicle, and insect tracking both on this camera. So, ayan guys. I think that's it for today, our comparison specs of these two camera. Again guys, so yeah, if you like the Sony A7 IV, the specs of A7 IV is already here in the Sony A7C Mark II Plus with AI or the auto framing, and of course it's compact. So yeah, it's similar 33 megapixel and yeah, uh with 4K. So guys, I will go with A7C Mark II for photo and video, but you are strictly video like a content creators or vlogger, then I will select the a Sony ZV-E1. Plus it's good for low light because it's 12 megapixel only, and you have your built-in microphone here. Yeah, it's nice. Similar with our Sony ZV-1. And yeah, I think the price is almost similar. So if you want to know the price and availability of this product, these two, you can visit our website, www.abworld.com. So all the Sony product is already there. The A7C Mark II, the Sony CVE1, the A7CR. It's already in our website. So ayan guys, again, if you want to check the price and availability, you can visit our website or you can visit our showroom, which is here in Symphony Megastore Showroom. And also, we have Igaila Showroom and Shamia Showroom. So, yan. Hanggang dito na lang guys. Again, www.abworld.com. So, yan. Maraming salamat sa Sony, sa ating camera na Sony CVE1. Sony CV1. CV1. Yan. And yan. And sa AAB. So, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you and mabuhay.